Welcome. Let's now take a look here at this scrap album from the 19th century. We see the front cover is detached. This is a common occurrence on scrap albums of this date. It's how it works. The paper also is this wood pulp, highly acidic paper here that chips. It's in quite poor condition for paper. Many of the leaves of the album are separated. In fact, I think most are. But they all contain this interesting assortment of scraps and chromolithographed trade cards, like so, as well as some cutout scraps. And this one here has like little thread, silk thread around the card itself as issued. There are greeting cards, like name cards. This one here is for patent medicine, actually they both are. This is actually also Hood sarsaparilla. And so we have cards like this and like this. Some of the cards are damaged, many are not. So it's a, well, it is what it is. It's a scrap album, as you see, in this condition. And I'm going to flip through it so you can see every page. And it will just simply be priced based upon the total number of images at a nominal price per image. So if you like old scrapbooks that are colorful, this is a very nice card here, this shoe, and this is for a Boston dining restaurant. Look at these little coats, thread cards with, well, looks like mice or rats actually. Let's turn this here, like so. Yes, like this, little die cuts, chromolithographed die cuts. It probably dates from the 1880s. An album like this would be likely 1880s. That's Raphael Tuck right there. That's a interesting card for a cologne. Okay. All right, there's another one. Okay. Nice color lithographed image there. Dogs and monkey, children at the beach, frogs, frog trade cards here, little mermaids and seashells, and oh, that's a fan with actually a color lithographed fan attached to like wooden stick with little veins or reeds there. It's interesting, and these are embossed. These little reflective ink ones are embossed. Okay, and this is a dealer in confections here from Nantucket. Yeah, this paper is really, it's like newsprint paper of the era, really. These are nice cards, nice gold reflective ink there. Yeah. Here we go, you see. Okay, just keep turning the pages like this. Oh, look, here's a card you can purchase chromos, 15 of them for 10 cents or 25 for 15 cents. French chromos, Excelsior chromos, feather chromos. So they're like advertising sort of cards. And here we have, interesting. These are from a fancy advertising cards dealer. That's interesting. Albums like this are kind of historically interesting. It's fun to see what people saved. Yeah, interesting. Oh, look, a woman in a canoe with cigars and tobacco. Perfect. These are like fashion cut out of a periodical of some type, I should think. And this final leaf here seems to be affixed to the rear cover. And now you've seen the contents of this album. And it is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.